Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding Python Class Variable Default Values. Introduction. In Python, class variables are variables that are shared among all instances of a class. When defining a class, you may want to initialize class variables with default values that are common to all instances. This tutorial will guide you through the process of setting default values for class variables in Python, along with code examples to illustrate the concepts. Setting default values for class variables. To set default values for class variables, you can initialize them within the class definition. This ensures that all instances of the class share the same default value for the variable. Let's take a look at a simple example. In this example, default_value is a class variable with a default value of 10. The instances obj1 and obj2 each have their own instance_value, but they share the same default_value because it's a class variable. Modifying default values. You can modify the default value of a class variable using the class name. Here's an example. In this example, the default value of default_value is modified to 20. The new instance obj3 still shares this updated default value. Conclusion. Setting default values for class variables in Python is a straightforward process. It allows you to establish common values shared by all instances of a class, providing a convenient way to manage and maintain default configurations. Understanding this concept is crucial for designing classes that encapsulate shared characteristics and behaviors. ChatGPT.